love you more than you see. We have lives together when I'm dead, you will be. Mommy, I love you. Thanks for all the things you do. I love you and you love me. Poem on my mother. My mother is the best. She never ever rests. She works hard day and night to make my future very bright.